Join me as I challenge myself to use my knitting and gardening skills to create something amazing from my stash while exploring new travel spots. Have you ever combined your hobbies with your adventures? So how can combine knitting, gardening and travel to create memorable experiences? We will discuss the common challenge of having a stash of unused materials and how it can hinder our creativity and exploration. Your old yarn is secretly home decor gold. Let me guess, you've got a bag overflowing with a tangled mess of yarn scraps. Don't throw them away. That mess isn't trash. It's home decor gold waiting to happen. We're going to transform those forgotten scraps into beautiful custom pieces for your home. Explore how I creatively use my knitting materials in these beautiful crocheted and knitted blankets. If you want to see how I created my own wardrobe using old yarn, jump into my podcast for the rest of the video. The link is at the end of this video. If you have got here, then I think you are enjoying these clips, which are a brief insight into the videos that I am producing, introducing music and rewriting history, along with the staple of knitting and sewing across all my podcasts. Please like, comment and subscribe, as this really helps me push out my content to a wider audience.